Hey guys, so in this video we're going to have a look at the volume of a sphere. So when we look at the volume of a sphere, we say that the volume is calculated as this fraction of 4/3 of pi times by the radius of the sphere cubed. So it's just 4/3 pi times r cubed. Or if we write it out more concisely, you can say it's just 4/3 pi r cubed. And we're not going to have a look at where this comes from, we're just going to use it and take it as given. So say we have this sphere here, we can look at it and we know that 4/3 is going to be a constant, pi is a mathematical constant, and that's the ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter, but we'll take it as a given and it's 3.14. And then we have this radius, and we need to know the radius. So for our sphere, let's assume that it has a radius of 6 meters. So that means if we find the center of the sphere and we draw out to any given point, so we go from the center to the edge, anywhere in the sphere at all, it's always going to be 6 meters. So the radius is constant in the entire sphere. It could be here, it could be here, it can be literally anywhere, and it's always going to be 6 meters. So the radius is equal to 6 meters. So the way we'd work out the volume for this sphere is we'd say, well, the volume is going to be 4/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by our radius, which is equal to 6 meters cubed. So we'd say the volume is going to be equal to that times that times that, and if you put that into your calculator, you will find that the volume of this sphere is going to come out and equal to 904.78. And remember our units, so we have meters to the power of 3, meters cubed, because we're talking about volume. So remember, when you're doing the volume of a sphere, the volume is 4/3 times pi times by the radius cubed. All we need to know is the radius, and that's it. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the sphere. So that's how we work out the volume of a sphere. I'll put out some complex examples for you guys to have a go at. Thanks.